Okay, so real quick, I've drawn the symbol, the elements of a welding symbol here on the board. We're going to talk about them again here for a minute. I just want to make it a note. It is on page 1004, chapter 30. This right here. This is your base guideline. You can always, if you're looking over here and you're trying to figure out what does this mean, come back to here. One piece at a time. Start one side, work your way out, then go to the other side, work your way out. We can break this down and we can figure it out. Plain and simple. Okay? So, real quick, we've got two things we have to have. Arrow, leader. Okay? This is also, again, arrow side. So here's where our weld symbol is going to be. Weld symbol. So it's either going to be a fillet, groove, single bevel, V-groove, whatever. Same thing here. Okay. This is, we know, other side. This can be the number of welds. Whether, so say for example, it's a fillet weld with a length of 5, 6-inch pitch. Okay. Now we have 4 of these welds. Okay. 4 5-inch welds with 6-inch center to center pitch. All right. Okay. Tail designation, we've talked about it, how you can help break that down. Weld length. Pitch. Center to center. I strongly recommend that you do a couple of these. Even write this down on your book. Copy it, whatever. The more and more you draw this, next thing you know, you're like arrow side, other side, depth, weld size, weld length, pitch, so forth. Field weld. Weld all around. Okay. Finishing symbol. Flat, convex, contour. Okay. Going to have many different aspects within it. Is it a, finishing. Grind, chip, machine, rolled. This is your contour symbol right here. Can be flat, convex, contour, so forth, okay? Groove angle. Normal AWS or API, or sorry, ASME, typically 75 degrees, not 75%, 75 degrees. Root opening, 1/8 inch. Depth of prep. So in this case, if you have both of them, say we're doing a 1-inch weld, we have 1-inch weld, 7/8 prep, we know that we now have an 1/8 of an inch land or a root face that we need to put on. Okay? And we want to make sure that we get that full penetration if we need to. That's how we break it down. One piece at a time. Go back and forth slowly. Okay? The other thing that we need to talk about that they didn't was broken arrow lines. Okay? So, real quick. We have 2 pieces of material at a butt joint. Okay. We need the arrow side to be single bevel, 0 root opening, 37.5 degrees. Okay. 1/2 inch weld. We need the arrow, the other side be the same thing. 1/2, 0, 37.5 degrees. Well, which of these two pieces do we do? Okay? So here's where broken arrow lines come in really handy. If your arrow comes down and is pointing right here, in this case, I would prep this piece back. Okay? However, what if I needed it to be this piece? And I didn't have room to draw something over here. If you see a broken arrow line, like this, it's going to point at the piece that you will do the preparation on. So in this case, you're coming here, here, you would prep and bevel this back. Okay? That's what the broken arrow line tells you. All right?